In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Renderforest app. If you're new to this creative platform, think of it as your all-in-one space to build videos quickly and professionally, whether you prefer total control, a guided head start, or the speed of AI assistance. First, log in to Renderforest. After you sign in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can access your projects and start something new. Keep your account secure and never share your login details. Once you're in, you have 3 straightforward ways to begin a video, and I'll walk you through what each one is best for. If you want full creative freedom, create your own video from scratch by clicking the plus sign button. This opens a blank project so you can build everything step by step. You'll typically see a timeline or storyboard area, a place to add media like clips, images, and music, and tools for text, transitions, and colors. Start by laying out your structure. Think about your opening, your key points, and your closing call to action. Import or select your media, then add text overlays and adjust their timing so they appear exactly when you want. Use simple, readable fonts and keep color choices consistent to maintain a clean, branded look. Play your project back often as you work and fine-tune the pacing, volume levels, and transitions to keep the flow smooth and engaging. If you'd like the app to help move things along, use the AI Video Create tool. Click on the AI option, then describe the video you want in clear, practical language. The AI will generate a starting script and assemble suggested scenes and visuals for you. Treat this as a smart draft. Review the scene, swap any visuals you don't like, and edit the text so it perfectly matches your message. If the result feels slightly off, refine your prompt with more specifics or a different tone, then regenerate to compare versions. This is a great way to jumpstart ideas when you're short on time. If you prefer a proven structure, select a template by clicking Create Using Template. Browse categories such as promos, explainers, slideshows, and more. Preview templates to see their pacing and style before you choose. Once selected, replace the placeholder text with your content. Update colors and fonts to fit your brand, and swap in your images or clips. Templates keep everything consistent and polished while still letting you customize the details.